Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add personal dictionary on your Samsung phone. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First, go to the settings. After that, scroll down to the general management option, and here you can see the personal dictionary. Click on that, and here you can see that I have no words in my dictionary, but I can add by tapping the add or the plus button. So click on that, and here you can enter a word, but you can enter a phrase as well, like say, oh, guys. Alright, and the shortcut for me, like, let's say F1. Okay, so I added this, and I mistyped hello, like this. Alright, so let's go to the messages and let's try that out. F1, and it appear hello guys. So if you want to save time, then you can add words, phrases, as many as you want, and it will help you to type much faster. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.